I'm P. Madhura, lecturer in physics. Today we will discuss the gravitation chapter. In that we will discuss about the what is meant by escape velocity and orbital velocity and then total energy. Now escape velocity means it is the minimum velocity with which a body should be projected into space to overcome the earth gravitational force of attraction and never returns to the earth again. It's called as escape velocity. Now escape velocity value is 11.2 kilometers per second. Now when body is projected with an escape velocity, the body raises to infinity. Now here suppose you have F is equal to gmm by r square. Body displaced through a distance of dr. Then gmm by r into dr. If you integrate this dw is fdr, so here you will get minus gmm by r you get. That is integration of minus r1 plus minus 2 plus 1. Here minus 1 by r you get. gmm by r, gravitational potential energy we call it as. Now here this work done, gravitational potential energy we have, that is minus gmm by r you have, this w we call it as. Now in this gravitational potential energy, now this kinetic energy converted to gravitational potential energy. What is kinetic energy? Half mv square. Gravitational potential energy is minus gmm by r. From work energy, now W is equal to delta K. So here W is equal to delta K means work done is this much only. Delta K initial velocity 0, final velocity you have. So here if you equate these two, negative sign neglected here. So here half mv square is equal to gmm by r. Now cancel out this. V square is equal to under root 2 gm by r. Now we have relation, the relation between small g and capital G is given by g is equal to gm by r square. Now gr is equal to gm by r. Now if you substitute this is first, this is second, this is VE here. Now substituting second in first, what you have, V is equal to under root 2 gr. This is expression for escape velocity. Suppose g is 9.8 meter per second square, radius of the earth is 6400 kilometers. So if you simplify this, 2 into 9.8 into 6400 into 10 to the power of 3 kilometers converted to meters. Now V is equal to 11.2 kilometers per second. This is a value for escape velocity. Okay, gravitational potential energy is equal to kinetic energy. Our work done is nothing but gravitational potential energy. Both can be equated and derive the equation. This is an expression for escape velocity. The velocity of the satellite in its orbit is known as orbital velocity. Suppose you have Earth here, a small satellite is revolving around Earth of mass small m. Capital M is the mass of the Earth. Now here in this case, suppose this satellite is at a height of h. Then what is the gravitational force of attraction? gmm by r plus h whole square. And this is balanced by the centripetal force acting on the satellite. ma naught square by r plus h. Now under the ideal conditions, if we equate under equilibrium condition, both are balanced. ma naught square by r plus h. Now we consider h is very less than r. Okay, we can neglect that. H is neglected, very less than r. So gmm by r is equal to me naught square. Mm cancel. Now from the relation G is equal to gm by r square. Gr is equal to, we have gm by r. Now this is first equation, this is second equation. Substituting first in second in first. What do you get? V naught is equal to under gr. Now acceleration due to gravity g 9.8, radius 6400 10 to the power of 3 under root. Its value is 7.92 kilometers per second. This is the equation for orbital velocity. Okay. Next, I'll give you expression for total energy. When a body projected from the surface, expression for total energy is given by gravitational potential energy minus gmm by r plus half mv square is equal to constant. This is the equation for total energy. Okay, equation for total energy is equal to constant. Thank you.